Festival. Please put your hands together. We're so happy to have this gentleman here alongside Dwight Kanay as well. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Del Beasley.
Alright. So this is the Made in Hawaii Festival. We made in Hawaii and that's about in Hawaii. So I thought about how are we gonna proceed with this performance here, because it's not often that people invite me anymore. So we like to thank Alan and again for being. So I just figure we'll just go at the beginning. This is the one that kind of started me off way back, long time ago, where the state bird was still a pterodactyl when I recorded this. We'll try this one.
Wiggling and walk and giggling and talk, funny way of putting on the glass. Well, the first time I kissed her in the field on the park, bells started ringing and scattering out. The army and the navy couldn't keep the people calm. They thought it was a hydrogen bomb. Yeah, so tell all the neighborhood boys I'm the one making all the noise, because a little lady knocked the heart out of me, and that honeybee was successful. Well, the next time I kiss her in the swimming hole, I kiss her in the water, and don't you know, steam from the water rose as high as the sky. Old swimming hole went dry, and then I took her to the folly when the moon was high. Kissed her by the night till the wind was high. The moon fell down in the sky but wide. Many honeys always smile. Yeah, so tell all the neighborhood boys I'm the one making all the noise, because a little honeybee knocked the heart out of me, and that honeybee was sassafras. Girl, sweetest little thing, whole wide world. My heart does a flutter and my mind turns to butter every time she holds my hand. When I'm very sorry that I gotta go now, me and my honey gotta cruise loud. We're gonna get married, gonna raise a family, gonna raise up my honey and tea. So tell all the neighborhood boys I'm the one making all the noise, because a little honeybee knocked the heart out of me, and that honeybee was sassafras. So tell all the Namakuni boys I'm the one making all the noise, because a little honeybee knocked the heart out of me, and that honeybee was sassafras.
Something we recorded way back in 1989. I was 11. You believe that? I can land Alexia in Kalapana. So